As a project management expert, I often get asked about the versatility of various tools. Can a tool designed primarily for project management stretch its capabilities to handle other crucial business functions? A frequent question that pops up is ClickUp good as a CRM? The simple answer is that ClickUp can be effectively adapted and configured to function as a customer relationship management (CRM) system, especially for small to medium-sized businesses or for teams that prefer to keep their project management and client interactions within a single platform. While it's not a dedicated, out-of-the-box CRM like Salesforce or HubSpot, its highly customizable nature, robust features, and flexible views allow users to build a surprisingly powerful CRM solution. Let's break down how ClickUp can serve your CRM needs and where its strengths and potential limitations lie. What makes a good CRM? Before diving into ClickUp, it's essential to understand the core functions of a CRM. A good CRM typically helps businesses manage contacts, store and organize client information, names, contact details, company, history of interactions, track leads and opportunities, monitor potential clients through various stages of the sales pipeline, manage communication, log emails, calls, meetings, and other interactions with clients, automate processes, streamline repetitive tasks like follow-up emails or task assignments based on lead status, track performance, analyze sales data, identify trends, and measure team performance, customer support, manage client inquiries, support tickets and feedback, client onboarding and project delivery, seamlessly transition clients from sales to project execution. How ClickUp steps up to the CRM plate. ClickUp, with its everything app philosophy, provides a strong foundation that can be customized to mimic many CRM functionalities. Flexible structure, spaces, folders, lists, tasks. This hierarchical structure is the backbone of building a CRM in ClickUp. You can create a CRM space with leads, clients, and support tickets as separate folders or lists. Each contact or deal can be a task within these lists, allowing for granular tracking. Custom fields, your data hub. This is where ClickUp truly shines for CRM. You can create custom fields for virtually any piece of client data you need. Contact information, email, phone, company, role, website, sales pipeline, deal stage, e.g., prospect, qualified, proposal sent, negotiation, closed won/lost, deal value, probability, lead source, client management, account health score, last contact date, contract renewal date, industry, support, ticket priority, issue type, resolution status. You can then display these custom fields directly in your list or table views, giving you an instant overview of critical client data. Views for every CRM need. ClickUp's diverse views are incredibly powerful for CRM. List view. Great for seeing all contacts or deals in a spreadsheet-like format for quick filtering and bulk editing. Board view. Kanban ideal for visualizing your sales pipeline. Each column can represent a deal stage, e.g., lead-in, discovery, proposal, closed won, and you can drag and drop deals, tasks, as they progress. Table view. Similar to a spreadsheet but with more database-like functionalities. Perfect for storing detailed client records and performing calculations. Calendar view. Schedule client meetings, follow-ups, and key deadlines. Gantt chart for client projects. If your CRM extends to managing client projects, a Gantt chart can visualize project timelines and deliverables for each client. Automation for efficiency. ClickUp's automation features are a game changer for CRM processes. You can set up rules to automatically change a deal's status when certain criteria are met, e.g., email received, changes status to engaged. Assign follow-up tasks to sales reps based on deal progression. Send notifications when a client's contract is nearing renewal. Move a closed-won deal from the leads list to the client's list, triggering onboarding tasks. Docs for client knowledge base. Use ClickUp Docs to create client profiles, store meeting notes, build proposals, or maintain a knowledge base for common client questions. You can link these docs directly to relevant client tasks or spaces. Email ClickUp and integrations. The Email ClickUp allows you to send and receive emails directly within ClickUp tasks, centralizing communication. Furthermore, ClickUp integrates with hundreds of other tools, including dedicated CRMs like Salesforce or HubSpot, email marketing platforms, and communication tools, allowing you to create a more comprehensive ecosystem. Dashboards for performance tracking. Build custom dashboards with various widgets to track key CRM metrics like number of new leads per week/month, conversion rates at different pipeline stages, revenue generated per sales rep, client satisfaction if you integrate survey tools. Where ClickUp might have limitations compared to dedicated CRMs. While highly capable, it's important to acknowledge that ClickUp isn't built solely as a CRM. Dedicated CRMs often have advanced sales automation, more complex lead scoring, sophisticated email drip campaigns, and predictive analytics specifically tailored for sales. Native marketing automation, integrated email marketing, landing page builders, and social media management features that ClickUp doesn't have natively, though it integrates with tools that do. Deeper reporting and forecasting, more advanced sales forecasting models, and pre-built CRM-specific reports. Industry-specific features. Some CRMs are highly specialized for certain industries, offering niche functionalities.